In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, tap on remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it, pinch your display. When you see all of those options, select Widgets. And then click on this icon at the top right corner. This way you can find the Google app, and locate this widget, or you can use alphabet on the right. Click on Google here and swipe to the left once to tap on Add to Home Screen under Search Bar. Either way, this way you will add to home screen. If you want to move it around, hold it and drag it. Then place it wherever you want to, let go and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!